going to show you what I saw from the house tonight. So these flowers behind me, they go so fast. They're probably going to be gone by the time we come back in a week. But I want to just show them to you. I'm not exactly sure of their name. Like, I think I've heard dragon's breath and I've heard red hot poppers. I don't know which ones they actually are, but this one is just perfect right now. But very quickly they like travel up. And then this one's still here. They're really beautiful this year. Anyway, I am going to show you what I saw from the house tonight. Yeah, it was so cute. There's an Oriole on my flowers out there. Oh my gosh, she's drinking the nectar from my flowers. Oh my gosh. Dadgummit. The door window is too dirty.